In next 5 minutes you will see 10 days growth update of cucumber seedlings. Here I will show you a complete guide about how to germinate cucumber seed and how to grow cucumber from them. Age of these beautiful seedlings are just 10 days. Now let's see how do I grow them from 10 days back. Now let's see how to germinate cucumber seed from day 1. That's day 1 and you can see the cucumber seeds on my hand. To prepare these seeds for germination process, at first I have to moist them on water for at least 12 hours. Actually I already do this task and it's time to plant them. And you can see the seed pack. Actually that's a hybrid variety of cucumber. It produces a lots of cucumbers in a short time. So now let's plant them. To plant them I want to use a simple paper towel or a simple cloth. Actually cotton cloth is a great source to prepare germination process quickly. See, this red cloth is a simple cotton fiber. Now to germinate, just set up this all the seeds on this cloth and pack it on a airtight box or on a airtight container or anywhere you can. Let's set up all the seeds one by one. One more thing you have to know, before planting these seeds on this cloth, you have to moist this cloth by using water. So this task is already done. Now just fold it and pack it. Okay, I do airtight the total setup in this pot. So my task is done. Let's see what happened after 3 days. And after 3 days you can see a simple magic that almost 80% of the seeds are sprouted. In this time you can plant them on soil or on coco peat. I want to plant them on coco peat. Actually coco peat is a great media to germinate new seedlings or plant new seeds. For this reason I want to use a little bit of coco peat to do this task. Actually I just fulfill some one-time plates, one-time cups by using some coco peats, and to mixing this mixture I mix 70% of coco peat and 30% of organic compost. After preparing this mixture I just plant all the sprouted seeds on there. Set up one by one. To set up seeds on this media you have to ensure one thing, that the lower portion of the root should must be on deep on soil, but the upper portion of the seed should not get on deep of this soil. Actually you have to set up these seeds in a condition which I prefer in this video. Don't try to make hole a big hole. Actually a very little bit hole is good enough for them. Okay, it's almost done. In the next task you have to water them regularly. and within next 7 to 10 days all of these seeds will be converted into beautiful cucumber seedlings, and you can plant those seedlings on anywhere you want. So let's see what happened after 10 days. It's day 10 and you can see the growth of all of the cucumber seedlings. They're growing very healthily. Some of the seedlings are already produced 2 or 3 leaves. So that's the process, that how to germinate cucumber seeds and how to prepare seedlings of cucumber. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about these types of video and seed germination, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.